If you don't know, the Black Farmer shop, it's now on TikTok shop and they've got some amazing fresh meals. I wanted to try them on, so I got the bundle with salami. First of all, look how they are coming packed. Inside the big bag, it's a chilled packaging, so the food is going to stay fresh until it's going to be delivered. And this is what I got. Dorset. I don't know if I'm pronouncing correct. Dorset chorizo picante. The next one is fennel and white pepper salami. And then we got smoked slow garlic wild venison salami. Last but not least, it's Dorset blue vini and fig salami. If you want to try their products, go and follow them on TikTok shop. You also have a link here for this bundle.